round long Pacific, you Poroman Wantam Radio Australia, long shortwave FM, the live streaming.
Now, welcome. Long Monday night talk pigeon stream me is Bonjui. Now, what I mean long at the night, I'm producer Caroline Tierman by bringing him to Blah News Bulletin long at the night. Now, belong me play it long of number one or first hour belong broadcast at the night. And I play at sports. Now, two got a story long one play church leader long Papua New Guinea. He talk all government or PNG government, you must think long line long West Papua. Now you go along Vanuatu, Pamblapani Molsem, Vanuatu transparency leader, worry long talk long lookout, long government, talk lookout come long government. Now two, a member long parliament long Bulalo, Sam basically talk all political leaders in knocking Giamani people long 2017 elections. Now, by me black at one question two belong Tetelang night. Now, question belong Tetelang night by Kama Become no piano all music yet. Now, listeners, you to York longs now one time me play long where you stop long end long Solomon Islands now Papua New Guinea to long Vanuatu. Hope all same by you stop long. One time we play Saturday night, now bring him all the thing, all views or comments along you. Long one of something you been come up long, have long you long weekend. Now two long one of all issues York Haram long I come up long all news, all interviews or talk or stories and by me play putting me come out long you long today long night. Long is the first hour yet, and also me talk survey by Bishop long Kevian Manus. And Bishop by talk long have me look at me come up now long Manus Island where all by put him all asylum seekers you go long end I mean no one bell long end so and two by me long big story me play long today a long night. Now hope also I'm long happy stop long end long country at long Papua New Guinea Solomon Islands or weather along Hablang you been Gupla now you been got Gupla weekend coming up now long at this time. All right, me play now starting one time long. Mean one featuring me at Adeline Laumoa. One time long. This number yet. Calling me at long. Push a little more. Come long and long Samoa. Opening that is like a broadcast or talk pigeon stream long to the night. Mean one Adeline Lau Mao long Samoa push a little more. Now welcome long you that joining me play along the time and Melbourne you call yet. Also have time long winter is stop yet one time we planting more long 2 weeks and winter by pennies number spring come out become long at this time long season here by Senis long winter it go along spring and by all something start long flower can and too by got plenty of noise long all insects and all PC and plenty people too by start making more planting gardens long all long at this time yet to belong a winter some crops he come up become. Now hope for them all garden will have long you will come up good. Now you hear this now look now how much long end. Now news too by come up become long 7:30 or PNG time. All top stories, Catholic Church leader along Papua New Guinea Manus Island, Manus province, he make him a big ask him to go along PNG, now Australian government. Nubla boss Mary belong Australian Human Rights Commission, one bell, one time Nubla asylum law. Now Vanuatu transparency leader, worry long talk lookout, belong government, behind worry belong foreign boat. More long all these stories, not reply yet. One time, Caroline Tierman. Now, all team belong Australia. He come back long a country behind long. Only go looking all detention centers on top long Manus Island, long Papua New Guinea, Nauru. This bla behind him decision blang government along a process him all asylum seekers outside along country Australia. That's all Bishop Ambrose Kiapseni belong diocese belong Kavieng na Manus Island. He put him this ask him he go along Australia na Papua New Guinea governments.
Well, I think
Australia worry more
the Trek Foundation.
I know worry long all Brata Melanesian Brata Blanc Milong West Papua. Only work long singa not money do look long all. Me I'm thinking blom yet me let us skin gaman do Papua New Guinea na Australia. One something in Arakai and this Latubla group.
Now, one I'm thinking now, or comments belong you along and ask him belong a bishop. You can now put him come along SMS +61 427 727272. Now along this time, we come up along sports and news now along Radio Australia. Passed along to the talk piece and stream along till the night on Monday. So this mean two or semi time belong sports now long. As there one walk Kenekala even stop along Aussie rules game number long Hawthorn Football Club na Gold Coast Suns. And we been come up along Melbourne cricket ground also call him long MCG, the home of football long ground yet where only been raise him simple money long halvim long grab one plus school long Kokoda area long Papua New Guinea. Line long Kokoda Track Foundation is a walk boom one time Hawthorn Football Club long halvim people long Kokoda long simple kind work or long development and one plus long all and this walk long halvim school Piccaninny. The Rappler story belongs sports today. Ask him along one through all Pacific athletes who said he's go along Olympic Games. He knows how kiss him one play medal long all. That's all pastime through yet. Caroline Tereman. Even ask him Kenny Kala long story long this blah fun racing aste along Melbourne cricket ground.
Well, I think there's a Kokoda Trek Foundation ibinigado sa makia we outside lo MCG we all put him because all put him New Guinea because New Guinea support him one long raffle or there's a raffle ticket lo Kokoda Trek kusat win him there's a raffle by go lo PNG so me play PX the famous one Mark Blow one Tempera Paradise. So 5 Papua New Guineans, including Linda Kerna, Susan Lindy. Me play feel homesick. Just looking there's la PX, New Guinea na Kokoda track na photo lo hab. So I think ibin kupla lo where me play proud of some Papua New Guinean long come up hab lo volunteer lo Sunday lo racing funds lo Kokoda College. There's like me number 3 belong Hawthorn AFL club, Hawthorn Aussie Rules Football Club, long awesome fundraising lo Kokoda Track Foundation. Now there's a line the base lo Sydney. Zaksimoni long awesome all business line na kind donation bung awesome. So me play proud of them, been one talk blow on student blow Kerema, na one pla blow Hagen, sorry Thomas lo Highlands. Blah Enga na me na Lindy. So me play bung one thing where Kokoda Track Foundation support a T-shirt. But online I think because $20 lo there's la raffle. Plenty talk there's la some expensive but plenty talk sim come play la go lo Kokoda. But just atmosphere long where Osem Papua New Guinea and proud lo sanap lo hap na close to lo there's la MCG na. Then behind Ken me play go inside long MCG lo look him play Hawthorn versus Gold Coast Suns, but city me support lo Hawthorn so me go lo na Queensland team Goldens.
Okay, so you support him Gold Coast Suns, eh?
Madi 120 69-65, a final score this match.
Yeah, but all Trango Gold Coast Suns first time long all this year go inside lo big pila all same.
But nala side lo where misan up lo trying to Salem there's la raffle tickets. All family man, all pull him family or some baby to come up lo AFL. But here lo Victoria or listeners Melbourne and place lo AFL. So Bubu want them all beginning, or Mama Papa want the 5 beginning all come up lo MCG, but
now we put him all colors blow all team blow all.
Hawks want them Golden Suns na color blow all na. Like atmosphere, me also festive atmosphere, so it been good bla but more long and also me talk this la fundraising it been open my awesome Papua New Guinea and me proud through long support one bla good bla awesome fundraising. Along this college, along Kokoda area.
Yeah, you been talk one time, Mary Husati go past long this law walk blow racing funds long Kokoda yet, and we been story lo you all same so this la money and blow only kirapim school lo Kokoda.
Yes, this la me talk Petra Arifia me project officer. Blow Kokoda Track Foundation, me talk this la year. Na Sunday fundraising already friends and me want play unique and me call him because there's like fundraising money by go long set him up one play college, training college, teacher training college, elementary na primary school, college long long Kokoda areas outside lo town I go some lo bush. So I'm first time long rural training college, so only call him Kokoda Track. And now I'm in third year long fundraising one time AFL Hawthorn Club. So one good story.
So time lo this la pilai walk lo go on long Melbourne cricket ground. You play all one talk yeah. You play you walk lo go round lo stadium.
Well, actually, me play outside lo stadium.
All right.
Yeah,
okay.
I think arrangement was some Salem ticket outside lo stadium. So me play around lo there's a lot. Stadium, I think good play exercise too, yeah, already friends, because there's like only exercise, me walk about around MCG. But I think now I want to blow golf and blow ihu. I think I'm winning me play all get the city because me Salem more ticket me play. So I don't know how I Salem ticket, but me play no winning one play ticket. So sorry to my husband play stop here lo Melbourne.
Anyway, but them good play walk you play make him. Now talk lo sports. KK one pla wari tu lo long Papua New Guinea tasol long Pacific region been got plenty talk all same all country lo region I go tasol no kisim good pla mark long this la recent Olympic Games long London na tu now bossman long Olympic Committee long Papua New Guinea na Sports Federation I talk Papua New Guinea must put in plenty more money go inside long walking all training or training all young people long go all big pilai all same. You been talk one time one Mary want talk lo this is a very issue yeah.
I think I've been behind one asking you last week city where why in Papua New Guinea or Pacific Islanders all athletes some winning one medal well. Me been talk to one time Lisa and one regular listener blo Radio Australia na me talk lo what big man sports he talk or some only must look lo all rural area I'm talking me blo karka I'm talk me plus a swim so why training lo swimming I'm talk or kind of some example la so I'm a good plus or also inside lo there's like interview behind there's like big pla or some I'm like looking there's like come up lo rural center
usa true yeah.
Lisa Gare, I'm one regular listener and I'm one ex-journalist. We got good plus comments lo this because I'm behind him sing out blo big man blo PNG Sports Federation.
All right, now this time how we been baking masking blo Kenny.
Thinking lo me also. Developed countries only taking hundreds of years to develop on their sports. They spent a lot of money on the facilities, sports facilities. The government was serious in developing sport at an early age. So they stood a good chance of only improve law every time. It took them hundreds of years to improve on their sports. And only go on. They've come to a stage where only can win more medals. They are medal contenders. like for us in the Pacific. You mean, including Pavanini. Pavanini now actually me will put him on budget, bring me on the stories. There's no way. And I mean, not there. It's going to take us maybe another 100 years for one of our athletes or one of our sporting personalities to make it to the Olympic stage and maybe grab a medal. I'm taking yes the development. Maybe I'm maybe a bit too committed on him. We not like dining efforts being made now, but I'm saying that it's going to take us a while yet. So our facilities are not up to standard, not up to world standard.
So you think as Australia and New Zealand should put in more emphasis on sports development big time along a region or someone?
Yeah, current efforts are, okay, they're conducting clinics and things like that. They even encouraging our young players to go and train Tamblo, and they're taking part in various local competitions and things like that. But it's like years away, kind of thing. They must put in more budget to go into the sport, developing more facilities when we play on top of world standards. So that by encouraging plenty of, there are a lot of talents back in the village. We can talk on them. Plenty of sectors are making solutions, lolly based, but mostly based, lay based, meeting based. But different centers, so they don't look at the grassroots level. There are a lot of talents out there in the grassroots level. Like, for example, me come no Karkara. And there is a lot of, me been looking the last Christmas, me go start me looking. There was a lot of raw talents there. Now, we select us from Port Moresby, even academics like Leo. When you come sit down or look into the Mangi will play soccer. There's a lot of class out there. We need to develop on these talents, at the village level. Bring them out, expose them. Maybe put them into academies, and they can, be exposed to maybe overseas-based players or something like that, so they can learn from them. Like other developed countries, it took them years to, finally get there. So it's good all winning all medals. You mean we have to learn from that experience. Now our sport administrators, now ministers of sports must seriously think about. One of these one and now work long, because we games over 2015, yeah? They're going to spend a lot of money on this one, and I just hope they put the money where the mouth is. I mean, like, Lulu players, there are a lot of good swimmers out there. People online by island, people online location fish. We can really swim. I've seen a lot of kids, they can swim distances. We can't be looking, Ryan Pinny that's all for another 10 years. No. He's going to retire and go out. What are we doing about the raw talents? What are we doing about, getting them out of the village and bringing them and, showcasing them or exposing their talents out there?
We are a Lisa, one long or regular listeners belong on Radio Australia. And we talk level up in the sports story belong today Monday night. Now you got one of my comment belong you long this think belong Lisa along at this time at long night long sports in general long half you stop long and we all play now long time. Now another question too come long you long today night or you go long you now I'm long this question and we call Sam. As you've been harem or reading the newspaper or some team belong Australia, he come back up in his long country, he come back long Australia. Behind long go look him all detention centres long Manus Island, long Papua New Guinea, and Nauru. Behind him a decision belong Australian government belong process him all asylum seekers outside long country. That's all Bishop Ambrose Kiap Sani belong diocese belong Kavieng Namanas. He put him. This will ask him. He go along Australia na Papua and New Guinea government.
Australia you worry more long naraplan. I know worry liklik long all Brata Melanesian Brata belong long West Papua. Only work long singat. No got money look long all. Na me. I'm thinking from yet, we let us come down to Papua New Guinea in Australia. One something in our kind of this group.
Emi talk belong Bishop Ambrose Kiapseni, belong diocese, belong Kavieng, Namanas Island. Now you got what I'm thinking along this blah issue now. Clock a big blah long Papua New Guinea na to long Nauru. Behind him decision belong Australia. Government long more processing all asylum seekers outside a longer country. Put him come along +61 427 727272. And Bahamas long kisi mo tok sabe o ting blang you na share him one time all narapla listeners. Alright, one time long by yet. Mi pla tok welcome now long yo to Indi Freedom. Timba mi kisim back this playet na go long yo to Indi long this playet now come up become long them now.
We've been working on a cause for change, trying to work out our balance. Sometimes I feel I'm so alone, and I wish you were here. Making money can be one thing, building bridges can be the other one. All it takes is understanding now to make that dream come true. Just the beginning now. I guess we'll have to work it out. You and me, we can make it happen. Freedom. You and me, we can see it through. Freedom.
To in the I'm now putting this protest for the ting long song of freedom. Some long we go back long passing to Bunana culture long all. I thought yes. If we one time we can make it happen.
Despla Radio Australia.
Now we had the walk long Harami Pla long Port Moresby Lane na to long Port Villa na long Honiara hem now along this time yet we blessed up long at night along Monday night along 20th along August me come now along close to long 28 past along Port Moresby Lane along Melbourne and I go along Honiara now to along Solomon Islands and we close to long 28 minutes past. Now some question have been come along you yet or some bishop along Manners na Kevin been asking long Australia na Papua New Guinea government. There's all people now pulling planty thing now talk. Difference long all long this bla East Papua long Papua New Guinea. I'm now thinking long you long this plateau. Now too long sports. I'm also long Olympic Games the pennies also long no long time pinko penny long London now yet long Australia. I'm all athletes have been stopped long and now all kisim all big pla Hamamas na people all bung one time long here long Melbourne long today. I'll be bunging all athletes now long talk Hamamas long representing country. Even though all have been making also only been expected long medal tally. That's all people are proud long all. You go out now representing country long all. Now today long Melbourne, you been got one big boom one time long Australia color. You go flying about on top long air. Man all picking all you go boom long talk Hamamas long all long representing country long all. So I mean good play something all same way. People support him. There's a lot of effort long all time, all give him up, long stop inside, long there's a big play game also. And you mean also all people, stop inside long look him where all have care up long morning, you going up long afternoon, long all time. Every hour all you must is stop long exercise, long as a fitness level, not too long Olympic Games level long only can you go and participate long also games because only got record long on country not too long war record long all sports all stop long and now only can enable time making personal best long all like all stop long and one time long display yet you come up long news yet 7:30 long PNG Honiara na long Port Vila time now we 8:30. I bring him inside Caroline Tiraman Liglig Time. We're giving you a Liglig Time more by Emmy comes inside Liglig long. And there's blah news, blah me play long today long night. Now Caroline Ikamantaf Ken long at this time.
Good night, Olgeta. All head talk. Catholic Sios leader long Papua New Guinea Manus province, I make him big pla ask him, I go long Papua New Guinea na Australian government. Nupla boss Mary bla Australian Human Rights Commission, one bell one tem nupla Australian asylum law, na Vanuatu transparency leader, wari lo talk lookout blo government long kotim M. Radio Australia News, me Caroline Tiraman. Leader blo Lotu Catholic lo New Island Diocese e Mikramapi Manus Province itok Papua New Guinea na Australia I wari tumas lo lukauti mol asylum seeker blong ol Narapla country long all asylum center long PNG na all Simanem long all Melanesian people blong West Papua. Bishop Ambrose Kiapseni itok planti thousand all West Papua people isabe bungi mol heve blong wok politik lohan blong all military blo Indonesia na all isabe runaway igo long Papua New Guinea tas all desla tupla country inosawe wari tumas long all. Tok blo Bishop Ambrose ikamap lo one kind time and one pla line blo Australian government ibin go round lo manus lo lukim olagata detention center and last pla time oli bin pasim dua one tem last pla refugee long 2004. Bishop Ambrose Kiapseni itok emino sabe na why Papua New Guinea na Australia ino sabe look tumas long all West Papua people.
All Narapla country all Melanesians only come long Papua New Guinea na got plenty noise, plenty talk, plenty work ready. And this pla only put him all too long bani so semol krabus. Australia worry more long all Narapla na worry liklik long all Brata Melanesian Brata Blangi long West Papua. Only work long singat no got money dukluk long all. Na me long thinking blom yet me lega skim gaman long Papua New Guinea na Australia. One something in Narakai and this Latupla group.
Molong desela story close to Nubla boss Mary blo Australian Human Rights Commission Gillian Triggs itok. Ilokol se mol nupla lo em government ikamapim now tasol blo karmapim mol wok blong processim ol asylum seeker araside lo Australia I bagarap tru winimol law blong government before blong Prime Minister John Howard. Government blo Julia Gillard bin alright man pla lo long week ago pinis blo statim ken all asylum processing center long Papua New Guinea Manus province na long Nauru. Professor Triggs ito kami wari tru long all desla nu pla lo wenem all asylum seeker by inogat road blo bring him wari blong all igo long all court long Australia.
The court no longer has the capacity to determine whether the minister has made an appropriate a designation of a country. It's become an executive decision, subject admittedly to parliamentary scrutiny, but in the current climate perhaps we're not going to see that. To cut out access to the court in this way is very worrying.
Now yet, all Australian government team who's had been go look round na Glassymall Asylum House long Papua New Guinea na Nauru by comeback to Australia today night. Line blow Transparency International Vanuatu ito kami like mo leader blow government lo toksave long all people lo wanem true na olino like toksave long all lo wari blow big bla foreign boat emol authority bin pulim kalabusim lo Port Vila sampla wiki go pinis. Transparency International Vanuatu bin sutim talk lo government or sem emino making 1+ something lo straight him have blo big bla boat emol bin sutim talk long en or sem ibin walk lo karimol drugs na passport fraud. All report ikam lo Port Vila I talk to all sem tupla parliament member ibin stop lo desla boat time all immigration custom na quarantine officer ibin go inside long en. Olsem na meriu sati gopas long Transparency International ilak savelo waitru na government no meki miet 1 pla tok long despla.
Prime Minister Amy come out answer Transparency Vanuatu article blong Friday blong newspaper where Amy no happy blong article blong Transparency where I tell him that basically officer blong police he may make him one strong offense but no one me sabe one me make me wrong. So story me complex too much blong find out exactly one me happen. So I think Transparency but by now me prepare one letter blong Prime Minister blong ask him and Minister blong Home Affairs blong come explain them because time no one he come out blong time one exactly me happen me create them all ground blong too much story and too much thinking where he got something wrong or government he want them something.
Marie Noel Peterson na molo desela story close to. New Zealand Prime Minister John Key talk out pinis olsem government blongen now iwog lo look lo kisimbek all soldier blongen long Afghanistan. Mr. Key been making all desela tok behind lo tripla mo soldier lo New Zealand ibin die time 1 pla bomb ibin pairap close to long road oli bin walk long stop longen long Bamyan province. New Zealand Defence Force itok out pinis olsem emitru 1 pla soldier Mary ibin die na desela I make him number 1 merit rublo New Zealand long die long Afghanistan. Mr. Key talk ting blongen lo bring him back all military force blongen lo lose him Afghanistan no behind him die blo desla tripla soldier na tupla narapla who sat bin die tupla wiki go pinis.
It is possible it will be in earlier 2013 than later 2013. It hasn't changed as a result of the now 5 tragic deaths that we've suffered there. It's been a matter of us working with our partners up there about practically when we can get out.
Solomon Islands Prime Minister Gordon Darcy Lilo now he stop making 1 pla look round blongen I come long Australia. And we been go looking 1 pla gold mine long North Queensland past them by go lo Canberra where by Holly mol tok one time Australian Prime Minister Julia Gillard na opposition leader Tony Abbott. Woglo Ramsey or Regional Assistance Mission igolo Solomon Islands by stop na melong ol big pla tok ba oli tok longen. Radio Australia News na last pla tok pisin news long 8:30.
Across the Pacific, you're with Radio Australia.
Big plus story block at this week. Australia like Salim all boat people go come along on the country also Afghanistan, Iran, na Sri Lanka go along Papua New Guinea, na Nauru, where all can straight him all visa paper past time long all can go along Australia or along the Rapla country. Last Friday, Wampla line belong Australia government ibin go around long Manus belong looking Olgera long all display Olpla detention center last time all been passing to one time long our last refugee been come up long 2004. Now all picture na story you may be bung him long and walk about it look all Zemba imasa put him come up plenty walk na all buildings suppose all like come up can display detention center along a province yet. one pla group emoli kizim big pla talk longs bla bell cry long asylum and refugee long West Papua people who said he walk long wait him too one pla look save long come up refugees long Papua New Guinea or he go long Narapla country Kenny Kala he been put him to ask him he go along Bishop Ambrose Kiapseni along Manus na Keviang diocese who said long last week he been out him talk no like long long at this center also one pla Banis Calabus.
All West Papua moli bin come long Manus before. Only stop long Manus no got money talk. Ni place call him this lap long Manus now some Westirian camp. Only stop in that no sabe plandino stop not so some place stop yet. Na mbesla I make it mean I mean thinking or someone through now or not up the line only sing out plan di long all make him try to camp long all make him all some kind Karabus. Where's all Westinian? It's not free. And there's all West Papua only come before yet. Some blolly stop long manus yet. I think some blolly go back finish or go well on Naraplahap. So plan di been stop. Now some been talk. All Narapla country or Melanesians only come long Papua New Guinea. Now you got plenty noise, plenty talk, plenty walk ready. And this pla only put him all too long banis or some all Karabus.
Now Bishop one pla big pla line is up lo most close to the rainbow area lo des pla time him walk him des la interview. Only stop lo hap ne sing out long only walk long parap ken long news. Where only talk was in Australia walk long desla online blong on our country also one em lo mipla walk lo talk where team lo stable camp lo po Mosby
I'm one kind thinking me talk long and Australia worry more long on our plan I know worry click long all brata Melanesian brata blong long West Papua only walk long sing out no got money look long all me I'm thinking from yet, me let us skim gaman from Papua New Guinea na Australia. One something in our kind of this two group. And because all one talk, now probably no one talk and one talk. All yet only must talk in me now.
You play kisim sampla talk or ask him or walk boom sing out to come long promise of long Papua New Guinea Peter only long despla talk bla asylum seeker.
Long despla nukla now. He didn't kirap no good. NBC or ABC long Australia ringing me. And the anong and the sol me try look long newspaper na me looking. Is have two now or some abanam long manus you walk long talk welcome long all this lao line all in or long Melanesia or Narapla line long Narapla long Asia. The sol you know got money talk long all and long West Papua.
Despla to bring him Narapla question lo side lo Karabus Bishop in me asking me lo despla look long all Karabus blame me lo Papua New Guinea desla me one kind all house banis good platumas kai na condition long happen long go so you think or some government lo PNG must look long all issues lo plester long or some long corner blame na mask long look long sing out long Australia government.
I think I'm talking straight. We can talk also. We can talk to also. I think Papua New Guinea, the look long all this line. We come outside long Westirian or West Papua. Also, one block line only come by Australia can bring in money come. It's like long good value now. You mean look long. Karabus long online come long up long me by me can kiss money. Me not think this like value long all human beings or you walk long down him or human beings that put in value long money go on up. I'm thinking from me think also.
Now also one am Lord Desla ask him where long Banis Calabus blue yumilo or some long law where law Papua planting long all Banis Calabus good plot to maso. Me just think him Desla kind thing where you mean look out more people is stepping the Banis Calabus. Or some napla ask him Lord Desla big pla story walk long go ahead now.
Okay. Talk it's not talk true too because long here long Keviang Yet ni segolo tulong aus krambus. Na minoting online blong yumi long aus krambus. Long yumi yet long Papua New Guinea oli amamas oli ilimolsem gaman I wori longol. Igat sambla hap long country blong yumi aus krambus inong gutru. So gaman no luglugud longen. Meeting olsem because oli walk wrong oli must stop long this kind place. There's two meeting olsem. I mean no fair. Because only catch them all. And now you come out manong good. Now you missed up outside. You know got money all in passing me long time you walk them wrong. You meeting me good from more long all. You look long all some and all rubbish line straight is stop long crambus. You know think this like straight. Thing or some you must look long all. I'll be more good. Make him good or place long all. I'll be more long training long kissing some kind save long or walk. They can come out and make him. The thing and this Brahman blong ini masuk lugut long online blong ini pasal masih long singot long online plan because I got money come.
Bishop Ambrose Kiap Seni belong diocese belong Kaving na Amanus Islands. Now you go along Samantha Mipla along talk Pisin stream. Long Vanuatu yet mi ko long na pla story belong tere long night or say you ko long haramet mi pla Bahamas long haram kam long you Vanuatu Prime Minister Sato Kilman I make him up in his talk lookout or say by a court team Transparency International Vanuatu or talk I mean in sutim long government also or make him one pla something he may look again long to online belong Vanuatu police customs na quarantine ibin pulim kalabuzim adis bla big bla boat emol call him potia mi animal wari olsem been walk along karim or drugs na passport fraud all assassin police 13 people also 13 boss crew long a Brooklyn law of long customs na immigration long Vanuatu manu di papa long boat Pascal and Kwan second was at the Honorary Council long Vanuatu long Vietnam. Caroline Tilleman been asking President long Vanuatu Transparency International Marino Ferrier Patterson, long story more along this below.
I think he got plenty talk along one opposition MP, African Vanu, where he outlined him plenty times that both time he come inside long country, he no go through custom, and after all crew he come down without clearing custom. He mean one offense. After he tell him everyone is aware that two federal ministers he go on top before, both he clear him, so he one offense. And after that, plenty of rumors where he no got too much talk or too much talk belong. No one he said exactly when them he seemed to have happened. He got one policeman where he started an investigation where he suspended. I think last weekend on Saturday. First time Prime Minister he come out answering Transparency Vanuatu article belong Friday belong newspaper where no happy belong article belong Transparency where he tell him that basically officer belong police he may make him one strong offense but no one in Misade one them make him wrong.
Mrs. Patterson, this is a story making me look also plenty talk to my stop long and like even got story also one pla man blow Tonga, one pla blow Samoa, na two pla Vanuatu politician been go inside lo desela ship. So now after all authorities he hold him boat he still got plenty talk to my si kam long na.
He got suspicion too because I think owners belong boat belong Fosea and he start them one civil case belong outstanding money against them one leader belong country. And case he stopped now inside long court. So he got also question on side, and maybe all harassment where he stopped against them both and he come from leader where he want them look owner belong Fosia, he stop long Vanuatu, he want them make him hard belong him and he stop long make him one court claim against them. So story me complex too much belong find them out exactly when them me happen. Get I tell them owner belong Fosia and he got also one recovering agency. Time people in me OM Vatu and me work got one company belong make him fashion So I think of transparency, but by now, me prepare one letter blanc Prime Minister blanc ask him and Minister blanc Home Affairs blanc come explain them because time no one he come out blanc time one them exactly me happen me create them all grounds blanc too much historian and too much thinking where he got something wrong or government he want them I them want something. Also, you look at them long last week, crew blanc Focia, and me go long court and me get a small fine, blanc $1,000 each, blanc nuclear ship blanc Olgeta. Maximum fine and me $20,000 per person, but me got $1,000 per person. So me now I have first stage blanc at least some form blanc enforcement. Me small, but me probably symbolic, but at least me happen. Now next stage me blanc look supposed to for the leaders. Me got prosecution against them all geta. So I think bye me come out. But I think main something is long Vanuatu too often prime minister or different minister he never make him one press meeting where he talk long media. So when me happen, people he talk or media me report him on something and me ask him government not make him comments or get I know want them make him comment. And matter me no one private business from government. Matter me one public matter. Suppose or get I breach him law and suppose some officer blanc police me break him law too and me should be able to report him and saying that under investigation blanc and also suppose leader where me start to owner blanc Focia me involved, maybe me should come out too. You see, so time in no got talk blanc government. Minim one or send you tell them blanc Franis me become complex and me become also look or some one basket of crabs where no one you want them tell them where everyone you can say narafela one. And in no transparency.
Mrs. Pedersen, you talk Prime Minister Emi threatened lo taking me for la golo court, but suppose all talk blow corruption is stop. We now story lo thinking blow Prime Minister lo stop him corruption.
I mean one big question because plenty time, especially even long big talk blow independence, Prime Minister and before me talk blow really fight them corruption. And Prime Minister, me talk to blanc fight him corruption among civil servants, where me tell me grow big too much, where make him hard, blanc make him work, blanc him. But now, long council, long group blanc minister, where I sit down every week with them Prime Minister. I got one minister where me got one criminal offense, where minister me attack him Mark Neil Jones long Daily Post, where me obtain him conviction against them, but me no got any consequences. He stopped on Council of Minister. So he got plenty allegations blanc narafela minister blanc after Council of Minister he take him decision blanc order him Minister blanc land no sign them any more new leases where he still continue no got no consequence against them Minister blanc land. So, and he got different people who I stop come inside the long public service, like a head of public service commission, and he one former police officer where he got conviction, long very serious conviction before. So, he create him one opposite talk or one opposite action where opposite long talk long Prime Minister, and on top of that, he got plenty times where transparency or many letters inside long Daily Post or many talk inside long radio where people want them challenge them every something, but silence. No one he come out long carry one press meeting with them all journalists or people they ask him question long clarify him or something because long Vanuatu or some plenty narafela country long Pacific people may forget them like all politicians, all minister, and servants blanc people. Nation, I mean, blanc people, or money, I mean, blanc people. So I mean, like the minister, the politician are managing country, blanc Olgeta. So yes, he must give him accountability, more transparency, I mean, one necessity, blanc system, blanc Yumi.
Emil head blanc Transparency International Vanuatu, Marie-Noël Ferreira Pedersen.
Across the Pacific. You're with Radio Australia.
National Parliament member belong Bulalo open inside Longa PNG Morbe province. Sam Baiseli talk like look him all leader belong all political parties long Noken Giamani people also all by come up with Prime Minister. Mr. Basili talk make him this talk long one him long time belong campaign belong election belong this year 2012 election election plenty of leaders even walk along a Mauswara round long all by a come up Prime Minister. That's a time he come up long election a Nubla Prime Minister or elect him Nubla Prime Minister. All this all isuruk all same kingdom na inokat one pla I put him hand ikwata. Also Mr. Basili ask him long imasi got one pla walk pine him long how election belong Prime Minister Peter O'Neill he been come up na pine him out want him something he been pass him mouse belong on Narapla long put him hand belong all. Paulus Combo he been talk to one time same Basil na ask him long to clear more why na emi come up him this bla ask him belong him.
Me believe was some bien time me plo leadership make him all work with me plo flow parliament me plo mas sample time me plo mas make him talk me plo mas bien him talk straight me plo mas strong him believe nothing thing with me plo sana rather than me play make him announcement for public na me plo go back and make him not something so lo experience lo this pla election come me been looking at some sample member of parliament kind of some party leaders now only stop on them only lo outside lo government only put him handy go on top lo top service all like come a Prime Minister. This passing only make him so him was time only been me play on the election only put him hand come a Prime Minister only saw him clear only no got confidence inside law leadership law now Prime Minister stop. So time only put him handy go on top me play expect him all only must fan up strong na working this fight blow like a Prime Minister you gonna flow parliament only by challenge this working to the flow parliament now yet me looking at some more sample ladies only put him hand go on top time only put him hand go on top now the stop inside yet law government blow only saw him no confidence inside law leadership on it but time only looking at some number only no got come up him enough number now only no not put him fight only run go back na proman monil can so this person me like looking at some during time the 2017 election me no like him all this kind of leader put him money go on top come up Prime Minister because only saw him was only weak leader, only no got principle blow, only no got way blow sana blow, challenging many Prime Minister work for Parliament. So me looking was 2017, me like him all new Prime Minister candidate must come up rather than all this man or line go threat now running go back in. Another play me looking was somewhere time only been me play been helping only na rouse him sit blow government. Or Prime Minister now National Alliance go back now those stop and go cabinet blow O'Neill can so this plan you know not looking at Australia where time Julia Gillard rouse him Howard or you rouse him Kevin Rudd you know not looking at all this line blow opposition or government only go back now say one in it law cabinet law government opposition because only government is stop na time government blow you you must put him opposition against him when government is in place so time somewhere you run go back na stop and in it law cabinet law O'Neill me looking at Emi make him want something that's all. Emblo protect him at or passing only make him last government when me play accuse him of corruption when me play things by me play only more responsible of plenty issues. Now me play looking Somare goes on O'Neill can show him clear some he's protecting himself one more National Alliance members board. So all these kind of principles were all look straight live on young members to Parliament. Me looking at all this lapun all this veteran politician now only show him the wrong person for young politician.
Mr. Bassett, long way, me look also just before the election, they come up long time, long campaign, all party leader, he work long to some time, me win now, but me go up long port, most people me go form him next government, leader long plan, long all political party, he been work long to some. Now, only been work long thing also, all by enough long winning plan the number, low side, long all party, long all by winning plan the member, now only work him this talk, but time only realize only no got support only kirap to go might as well you mean bung one time na go long side blow Peter need where me got plenty number long and so that's how me look him only bung one time long looks have a law Peter need some Prime Minister law unity blong country but you talk on them
only no sindan na set him up camp only win the election to solve because the system is up where register of political parties want them electoral commission by seeing out him governor general or seeing out him online winning more seats. Absolute majority of global parliament, only winning more seats, winning all Arab political party. Them system is that was some governor general by seeing out him all. This playing big psychological effect where all remember time only run law election, only win, only thing was some government form finish, or looking was some sitting prime minister got up and so this system now start them give him more leverage and more looks away sitting prime minister. So you look 2007 national election, now you look 2012. Any prime minister in go to national election and win because system is supporting him. Prime minister established government against the election and we got all the logistical support and we got house block government. Kind of some really use him now win election come back want them PNC members blow. House block government is land blow now but winning plan seats because system may favor him all. That's why psychologically may affect him all members blow but me still believe for some political party leaders, them only make him a decision law or challenge the prime minister work. All he must go stand up in camp, not trauma policy blow, not try to win him or Nubla independent once them all Nubla members come in. Now me looking at some all these leaders where political leaders where party leaders only want to go join him on him. Me looking at some all know how strong was have na fight, all know put in fight. Now only Fred through the Sudan opposition, only Fred lo risk him, all yet lo fight the work of prime minister lo Sudan opposition. So me plan it in plenty good leaders for behind time, only must get strong, only must get na fight lo this leadership.
Sam Basil, member belong Bulal Open, along National Parliament, belong Papua New Guinea. Now you've been a talk one time, a Palu's Combo.
Across the Pacific, you're with Radio Australia.
Maar we play. Come along the first hour, belong me long broadcast, long at a long night. Now, hope all Sam you've been kissing some all think looks have belong you long, make him all comments where you buy in up long. Put him come long me play long at this blah time at long at night, long one I'm thinking got long and long all stories you've been harem pennies. Now play long all long Bishop long manus na caving. You've been to talk long worry I mean look him long all people now long time Australian government he make him decision long process him all people asylum seekers outside long Australia now use him now all detention centers long manus na to long Nauru now this blame me been ask him long Bishop yet and me been talk long and long put him to ask him go long Australian PNG government harem this now one I'm thinking belong you long end
Australia worry more long naraplan I know worry long all brata Melanesian brata belong long West Papua only work long singa no got money look long all na me I'm thinking belong yet me let ask him gaman long Papua New Guinea na Australia one something in Narakai and this like two group
Emir Bishop Ambrose Kiap Seni, belong diocese of Kavieng, the Manus, he put him to ask him, he go along Australia, na PNG government. Long 8:30 at PNG, Solomon Islands, na Vanuatu, 9:30 by Imigat News, and now along all big plus stories by Imigat, Catholic Church leader along PNG Manus province, he make him big plus, ask him to go along PNG na Australian government, Ting belong Rausim leadership code. He had him bell belong wapla PNG police minister before. I think this is a story by no run. Long name go around long to say long for time. Say Sam Samoa PM he talk acting by only start again long a him all school picnic one time kanda. All stories here by Yimina long. Kisim long this all number 2 hour or second hour belong to the 2 hours of broadcast. Now you said you walk last one time you play long night and now yet you got ting now looks have a long one of something you like put him come along this play service long comment belong you long end and good play long imi harem long you to by me playing up long harem story belong Manus, Manus, have no malaria program belong Solomon Islands. He gives him $15 million long campaign belong stop him all sick malaria along along Honiara along Solomon Islands and more long health stories belong today long night by come along you. Now yet another story by Yemikat long. Eliminating violence or Solomon Islands Ministry of Women like a come up him bill belong down in violence against him women. So one time on this play yet not too long narapla by the card long Australian story by me play kizim long Australian story today night by Yimi Harem or look long one play walk bong namel long Australia na Vanuatu youth. I'm going to play interesting story long and all, long all Anglo-Australian youth, I'm all as players Australians, I'm all Aborigines, walk long, step inside long, and this is our program, and a good story through long harem long Australian story that a long night. So, online up long tonight na itu long na play ko pinis pa istawa kwanta mi iko na long time bla pinis in broadcast na mi by how mas long haram kam long you you can text kam long +61 427 727272. All right, the past time long me play go along the story belong health yet him na yet music belong Delta Goodrum in this life. Talk Peasant Stream long health segment long that night. Look long malaria na campaign belong down in Binatang belong mosquito long Pacific region. Sick malaria long Pacific na long Asia. He walk long give him a one big silence he go along all health authorities. Inside long Alisbla walk bung all bell mama na pigini is stop long number 1 line along or agenda along all long campaign also he got way na road along a pass him binatang ablong not or mosquito is stop long a body belong all. Long look along foreign minister along Australia Bob Carr go along Solomon Islands long Alisbla weekend he go pinis. This black campaign belong up in him na stop him malaria along country. Ibn kiss him big plus support at time Emmy talk out long $15 million a half of him belong him along malaria along a program belong country or malaria program belong country. Director belong Solomon Islands malaria program Albino Bobagare. He been talking this black program or same. This black money he have him by go along all silence. Now program belong down in sick malaria belong a country.
All this line he walk long talk against him this ting belong.
Me hello you me go now long up put him this la palus he come back past them na kiss him less la story yet belong malaria sorry too much long and this play yet him now yet director belong Solomon Islands malaria program Albino Bobo Gare.
One of the major issues where we feel trying for ting and finding answers lo him na is how na for suppose you mean like eliminating parasite from blood altogether. One fella challenge na for this fella species blow malaria we would call them Plasmodium vivax, where many countries are still struggle how not forget rid from blood. Yeah? At the moment, we will use him no more Primaquine. Some fella research him go ahead for try and find him out any other drugs where him maybe better in terms of number of doses for take him reduced, and also which him by him lead to our patients by comply with him. Use that fella drug.
Na this fight lo some how now lo get rid of this disease me look at Australia committing $20 million long this campaign so long community education like you talk particularly long all picking all pregnant women or bell mama lo program lo you play this you go ahead lo this time also one big focus.
Yes, we will continue for targeting this two groups inside population where got quite vulnerable effects this disease. We will continue for supply free mosquito nets for the pregnant mothers and the under 5-year-olds. I mean for that matter, we feel free for whole population, no? But making sure that pregnant mothers and newborns, we will also start for putting supplies of mosquito nets available every health facility, so we are going to deal with them with the antenatal mothers.
So that means like all the other stakeholders along NGO line, you play work one time with this challenge.
There are a lot of NGOs where what work together inside country where are also supporting program. We got Red Cross, also World Vision, and of course Rotary Against Malaria, and also available country. Save the Children, and even church groups like Church of Melanesia, we will work together with them, or the women's group. And slowly, we will try for learn what a small experiences from certain provinces, and then we will try for work with the ministry and try for roll them out other provinces time whereby we will decide for go into elimination proper.
So in fact, there's like $15 million Milukim Australia committee me go campaign by no go new programs go current programs na.
Yeah, for this fund that Foreign Affairs Minister Bob Carr announced him for 4 years. Me fella also working on longer term and me fella yet for come down with him concrete strategies and plans beyond 2015 onward.
You looking more down the track. I suppose is like one good question, but long down the years. In the years to come, you looking awesome malaria by finish totally long solo.
It's difficult when you work with them people and try for change him lifestyle or change him some freedom. So
movement.
These are it's very difficult challenges that we will try for find them answers to before actually engaging the elimination. But of course, this will intensified control where program may apply every province and continue. And I think that's why we will really appreciate him this continued support by Australia, so that we will hopefully in the near future we can make good progress, and so that we will by making good plans, and maybe in the next 5 to 10 years, maybe we will actually by looking light way forward attack him not this will or carry him out not this will work elimination of malaria.
Director of Solomon Islands Malaria Program, Albino Bobo Gare. Lamun October, Australia, by now hosting Wampla malaria meeting. Wampla long all couple stories too. Na you stop where long Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, as mo yemiga sabegat all malaria long end. And I want to think long you long end by me how much long haramikam long you +61 427 72 7272. Wampla more along the health segment along same time, long week behind.
Across the Pacific, you're with Radio Australia.
Now along eliminating violence against women, desk offers in along Solomon Islands, the Ministry of Women, been come up in Wampla workshop along Pinemount, think along all stakeholders, all people that walk along the area along have along all Mary Napigni along Wampla Family Protection Bill and Ministry like come up him. Ministry like come up him. This bill along down him violence against women. Along Wampla walk Pinemount long year 2009. All been Pinemount them mark belong women against violence. Mark belong violence against women along Solomon Islands. Even big plateau now only been give him mark or rate him long number 4. Paulus Combo even talk one time Pioni Bosso. Mary Gopaz long eliminating violence against women's desk offers along Solomon Islands Ministry of Women and asking them long to clear long display a workshop.
This workshop, one workshop where Mifal Kolem Oketa National Stakeholders Blow Ministry, Blow Women, Youth, Children and Family Affairs Ministry where me wakalohem. Hemi look lo one for a lot of issues where him come up strong this time, lo side law, violence against women. A workshop where Mifal Kolem last week, really him for stakeholders for several or one for a lot activities where ministry him wakalohem, but more importantly, one for a key area lo government policy blow violence against him mere, where him look lo side law legislation for Kamapum side law legislation. So ministry him been starting some fala groundwork lo look lo one fala proposed family protection bill where him basically one fala piece of legislation where you mean like for look lo area blow some form of immediate protection for Okota Mere Blumifala lo Solomon lo side lo violence we're experiencing inside lo home.
This is violence against women lo Solomon Island. I mean big something? I mean serious something lo Solomon Island?
Issue lo violence against women lo Mifala lo here lo Solomon. Lo 2009, again, this for same ministry, him doing one fala study where him look lo how big na problem lo violence against women inside lo country. And that fala research or study him show one fala rate where him high to mass amongst other countries where been doing similar study or same. Solomon Islands, him ranked number 4 amongst those countries where got a dream study. Study him shown that 64% of mere and girls between age of 15 and 49 got actually report him that are experiencing violence during lifetime blocketa. So that one him one for a concern where government can then take him the extra step for look how for addressing this whole issue. So government him come up with one for a policy where I would call them eliminating violence against women. And under this for a policy now, one for a look at key area for look him no side law legislation. And so him now how me for come about law look for continue law groundwork for come up now one for family protection bill where at this stage me first say him proposed him thinking me first still story with them people on the ground this fella idea or this fella proposed family protection bill.
Now you talk about this work planning blong ministry law this 2009 you talk long in Solomon Island I mean ranked number 4 amongst what Pacific Island country or amongst one and more country?
Not just Pacific Island countries, same one followed Pacific Island countries where him managed for doing study with him support blow Secretariat of the Pacific Community and with him funding from UNFPA and OZAID. So that for a time. There's various countries, both other parts of the world, including Pacific. At the time, Solomon Island him doing study, same time, 2 Kiribati him doing study. So it's amongst, at the time we did the study, him around just over 20 countries also doing similar studies. So amongst those just over 20 countries, him rank number 4. But there's other Pacific countries who are also doing study too after Solomon, like in the last 12 months, Fiji and Vanuatu too are doing the similar study after Solomon and Kiribati also come out with them. Findings blocketa.
You play Panama too when I'm sent up law family violence, when I'm something through, when I'm kind problem, he big play something, he cause him this play, family violence, he come a big play.
Yes, thank you. I think I'm one fella important something for me mention him or him. This fella study where I'm carried out, him look violence like violence within family settings. So him able for bring him out of the issues where him happen between other family members, yeah? So him now me come out from study. 3 types of different types of violence. Now him study him look lo him. The study where him carried out. First one him side lo physical violence. Second one him side lo sexual violence. Third one him lo emotional abuse and controlling behavior. So 3 different types of violence study him look lo him, but him also focus lo violence within family setting. Of course, findings him show other violence were him perpetrated by other family members and OSEM, but how design this fella study him really able for bring him out what name happen inside lo family setting. Yeah.
When him now ministry do him also belong down him this kind situation also.
Under government policy blow eliminating violence against women where me tell him first time him like for look lo 7 fala areas here. 7 fala areas and 1 fala normal him side law legislation where me touch lo him. There's other areas of him for ensure that national commitment him stop so work out together between government or various ministries, other development partners and donor partners, including civil society organizations. Yeah? So there's different things where ministry him work him. Most law ensure that national commitment him start. Also for me for lo place lo here. A lot of NGOs that actually doing active work on the ground where him go community level for make sure awareness him raise lo side lo violence and that issue lo violence him should be looked at more seriously and that there should also be other forms of conflict resolution or creating peaceful environment for the families. Yeah, so that's part of the national commitment. A lot of those things have done on level block at civil society organizations and non-government organizations. The other part of is on really public awareness and advocacy. That one him also call for the need for curriculums inside the schools. Him really look addressing issue of violence inside the curriculum of schools. The other part where government policy also look him is for support him protective services or support services were available for victims were experiencing violence, like, Lohia lo country, me for only garim one for a care center, where him look after Mogota, victims tam ota needing safe space for Golohem, shelter for Golohem, and so forth. Okota things for him important for him done. So there's so many other different things where him need to happen. And the other thing where him also important is lo pass Okota man for make sure that Okota man where Okota offenders were doing kind of violence against him Okota Meria also receiving some form of rehabilitation. The other issue too is for ensure that we look at strategy or some way where him consider Okota man for deal with an issue where time violence him not happen yet, but Okota ensure that creating environment where him peaceful and him harmonious for families, working with young youths, for example. So those are some of the things when we mentioning where government hemi look for addressing, but there's different actors what are actually doing different things at different levels. And this is where government have value too much to the work that NGOs are doing. And the workshop that Mifa Lukluhem last week is really for getting stakeholders there were doing various work blocketa on the ground where hence have helping Mifa this issue or to come on board for Sabe for aware that this is what government have actively doing this time. And that Mifa need him order for supporting Mifa campaign.
Bozo head along Eliminating Violence Against Women's desk along Solomon Islands Ministry for Women and even a talk one time Paulus Combo.
Despla Radio Australia.
Now we had a question belong today a long night. I come yet long Catholic Bishop long Manus na Kavieng. Now this is a question. He come up behind him. This will walk now. Only make him belong and grab him back. Pacific Solution. One I'm thinking belong you time you had him. This will ask him belong a bishop. He go along Australia na PNG governments.
Australia worry more long all naraplan. I know worry liklik long all Brata Melanesian Brata belong long West Papua. Only walk long singat. No got money look long all. Me. I'm thinking belum yet bila asking gaman belum Papua New Guinea na Australia. One something in our kind of this group.
And Bishop Ambrose Kia PC Kia Bishop Ambrose Kia Seni belong diocese of Kavieng na Manus. He been put in this asking me go along Australia na PNG government. Now what I'm thinking belong you long and maybe Hamas long kisim comment belong you long as like you one bell long end or you got another all thing now look save you think isabe come up become long and the time yet where isabe got all human or human said almost some yumi or one is a got long all heavy long one area belong world is a bunging all kind pass in Biruai come now is rampan him some area where he stop safe where all he can stop na look at them all yet na to one time long half him long all governments. Now, long as the time to me, he broadcast to now look long all stories, long sports at me like talk out can long long him. And we want play long all important issues around long me long Melanesian or too long on the long Pacific, where sports and we want play big play something. You hear this have participate long sports or you stop go spectator or so or say me. Let's have a look at more sportsmen and women or look long compete, or play go along best of their abilities, will win. Let's play and make him good. This will be animal big long trainings, also have a kiss him plenty hours, long day, long weeks he come before only kiss him selection of long stuff inside long all sports. Now, you yet look long on development long sports, long half long you yet long all cities, now long all towns, long all country, long me, long Villa, long Vanuatu, long Solomon Islands, now long Papua New Guinea. You think he see enough now only make him or sorry, I think also you think the government he can not put him more, he go inside long area of long sports, or some like got all sports academy, and all kind of players also long all young play, go kiss him training long end. And me also think long you too long end. Talk about us too long SMS +61 427 727272. Melbourne, Port Moresby, na lay 8:30. Port Vila na Honiara. Time now 9:30.
Good night, Olgeta. All head talk. Catholic CEO's leader long Papua New Guinea Manus province, he making big plan ask him. He go long Papua New Guinea na Australian government. Ting blow Ralsim leadership code, he had him bell blow one pla Papua New Guinea police minister before. Na Samoa Prime Minister, he talk. I think Bauli start ken lo paiti mall school pikinini one tem kanda. Radio Australia News, me Caroline Tiriman. Leader blow lo to Catholic lo New Island Diocese and Mikramapi Manus Province, he talk. Papua New Guinea na Australia, i wari tumas lo lukauti mol asylum seeker, long all Narapla country, long all asylum center, long PNG, na all Simanem, long all Melanesian people, long West Papua. Bishop Ambrose Kiapseni i talk, plenty thousand all West Papua people is have a bungi mol heve blong work politik, lohan blong all military blong Indonesia, na all is have a runaway i go long Papua New Guinea, tas all desla tupla country ino sawe wari tumas long all. Tok blo Bishop Ambrose ikamap lo one kind time and one pla line blo Australian government ibin go round lo manus lo lukim olagata detention center and last pla time oli bin pasim do one tem last pla refugee long 2004. Bishop Ambrose kiabseni itok emino sabe na why Papua New Guinea na Australia ino sabe look tumas long all West Papua people.
Australia worry more long all naraplan na ino worry liklik long all Brata Melanesian Brata Blangyumi long West Papua. Oli work long singat nungat mani dukluk long all. Long ting blam yet milega skim gaman long Papua New Guinea na Australia. One something in Narakai ng this Tupla group.
One Prime Minister before blow police lo Papua New Guinea itok emino support him through one pla ting blow rouse him olageta all pla walk painim blow commission of inquiry na tribunals I go inside long all passing corruption lo country. Bire Kimisopa, member blow Goroka Open lo Eastern Highlands Province itok Ting blow rouse him this la commission of inquiry or leadership code by I give him chance long or leader lo go ahead na come up in plenty more corruption lo country. Mr. Kimisopa itok plenty people I cross behind long Nupla member blong Henga Nofi long Eastern Highlands yet Robert Ati Yafa I been talk out all same and by bringing one pla ting I go lo parliament lo pass him olageta all pla walk painim blow commission of inquiry na tribunals.
Because you look him like putting one blow low and to correct all get a passing big blow before you must give me losing thing. You know can prosecute him man. Money 1 shilling blow straight to him lose to him to losing thing. So I'm like exonerate him or I'm like make him all members as all free. So can't blame me to him look so some plan the members all not go calabus because leadership code. I mean protect him this aspect of leadership as all criminal litigation in the second map.
Prime Minister blow Samoa itok all same government blong in now you walk lo look suppose Bauli start him can walk blow give him all strong plan make him save or fight him all school picking in long kanda long try and stop him all big pula fight and all sumatin is have make him against him one pla narapla lo school. Tok blong in come up lo one kind time and plenty big pla fight he been come up namel long all supporter long all sport team long all school long all this le wiki go pinis. Prime Minister Tuilaipa Sailele itok time emi bin stab all same one plus school mangi all tisa isave bin sticky mem one tem kanda na suppose all no bin make him desela I think em by stab long calabus emi talking Pacific Beat program all same suppose all desela fight lo school sport by isave go ahead or I think emi more better lo start ken lo fighting all school pikinini one tem all kanda.
It helped enormously. I would probably be a prisoner in and out if I hadn't been caned a lot. We haven't made a decision yet, but should these scuffles recur, then we will have to seriously consider that.
Government blow Burma I rouse impinis all strong play law long was good long all walk news or media and in need long all big play walk blow senisim all walk politic lo country. ABC News Merilo Southeast Asia Zoe Daniel report all same I look all same all this la senis long all news I been started lo 2011 time all government leader I been start lo make him all senis long all walk politic long Burma.
Today, the Information Ministry has announced that political and religious journals will no longer be censored by the Press Scrutiny Board. Newspapers, magazines and even song lyrics were heavily censored by the former military junta, which has transformed itself into a civilian government. Publications will still be scrutinised after they're released, but the government says journalists will not be punished for what they write unless it's incorrect or unethical.
One line country blow South America now is supporting Ecuador long all cross blong and one time Britain long man who sati been starting WikiLeaks Julian Assange. Mr. Assange who sati one plus citizen blow Australia I been walk lo stop hide long embassy blow Ecuador long molo tupla mun now lo wanem emino like go long Sweden where only like him by snap long court behind him all talk all same and we been rape him tupla Mary lo hap. All foreign minister belong Union of South American Nations I been suit him too all strong play talk against him Britain long give him talk lookout all same and by salim all police go inside long embassy blow Ecuador lo pulim kalabusim Mr. Assange. One play report blow NZ Bank talk all leak price belong all something or commodities now he work lo hammer him good all economy belong all country long Pacific region. ABC News Mary Jemima Garrett report olsem nupla report blo ANZ Bank long ol desla munigo pinis isoim olsem ol price blong ol something olsem kopra na cacao ibin put down through.
Coconut oil is fetching 33% less than at the same time last year. Palm oil is 26% lower, coffee 31% lower, and cocoa down 16%. The ANZ's Paul Gruenwald says the results are being driven by the global slowdown. He says commodity speculation is a new phenomenon which may be adding to price volatility. Hard commodities have not been as badly affected, but despite recent rises, gold is still down 7% on the same time last year, and copper is down 15%.
Na Radio Australia News blow today night, all narapla tokpisin news tomorrow now, lo 7:30 and 8:30. Good night now.
Thank you, and good night, Caroline. Now, I'm also going to talk about long tomorrow yet, and I'm going to come back one time to play news bulletins.
Across the Pacific, you're with Radio Australia.
Now, yet long all night time, also long broadcast. But plus, I bring him yet Australian story. Look now, long one play youth group long Vanuatu. Now one play youth group long Australia. He been walk long Umbung one time. Now walk him come up one play market house inside long Wintua village long Malakula. Long Vanuatu. One play 10 all youth belong. Youth Challenge Vanuatu. He been walk boom one time. Youth Challenge Australia. Now all he been walking come up. This is a permanent market house along a 5 week. This is a youth line belong Australia. All north belong Australia. Where plenty long all all place people or Aboriginal youth. Now all is go walk boom one time. All one time long all this blah Vanuatu youth long all get a year. Paulus Combo, even talk one time youth leader blah Vanuatu Jack Nato.
Youth Challenge in one organization where we not just work with them all youth no more, they have me work with them all community too, also where me staff in Hemigamlo Vanuatu. Now first time we will plan with them all youth, especially Canada with them Australia mo Vanuatu. Then Naya lo moment we start we just work with them Youth Challenge Australia with them Youth Challenge Vanuatu.
But you may come back this is a story belong Youth Challenge Australia now some all narapla youth belong all narapla country you play say walk boom one time but long iko back you play yes all youth long Vanuatu. This la involve him too all young play girls too long in.
Yes. All youth challenge you work with them all young plalo Vanuatu all youth got all boy with them all kela maskaram equal number blow some gender balance current equal number blow all girl mo current semak blow all boy blow give them power lo kata blow lisa mega one something normally any lo Vanuatu lista current 15 young wala some all youth now lo case blow all youth also all girl lo Vanuatu gender balance hemi no really good from say only look all boys bla katana bali mega mo work so me fly sa improve the mo girl pitem some all boy blow make say all voice, all skills flow, all girl we all cat all sabe putoma, lo help mo kata lo laugh lo kata.
Lo Vanuatu you play at youth commission na youth ministry responsible long or work long youth na this la kind.
Lo Vanuatu especially you get full up all youth organization. The also lo site lo government, any two mainly also all youth lo site lo sport. The side lo sport pe lo narla something too much le lo side lo government be gatol nara organization where you work with them all young wala you got full up only in full from all young wala lo side lo all training also all workshop lo train all young wala lo especially lo Vanuatu you got one small park lo organization only help mo kata plan dev lo make them or small business or sum up or cooking or something or computer course training. They normally only give them training after only
invite them over top lo reality also lo work inside lo one environment also challenge hemi just come in lo hemi empower them over top lo build them up all skills lo ta lo different work after lo emblo all project also me like otan lo make a market house only got one program bagan to in also mo kata lo different workplace when staff lo build them up all different skills lo kata lo different hem staff lo site lo government and hemi no just come in lo help them out all in also mo liang volaya lo make them one something also na that is why and say all nara youth organization only just come in lo also recently me been work lo one for organization young people's project now we make a research plan on different issue where young people start making more main thing behind all different issue lo panatu young people start facing all talent say only no work or some unemployment now hemi make them say all youth only work about or some thing lo young people only recommend them stuff say you could lo make them all inform about all different activity or some make them work lo young people sabe make them only build them up about lo site lo sport or even some lo put filan mo lo every island lo Vanuatu only must put them one youth complex lo okata li sabe ko make anything ham lo li sabe stop lo island lo kata
you place have kisim support or halvim blong you play where I mean when you were in the need of some kind halvim or kind something you need him one more group is have halvim you play
one when you stop na ya especially you challenge hem you work plan there with all community and no work with them some one man they have work as one group lo people inside lo one community lo help them over lo site lo some all volunteer work also na lo give them lo man lo make them any something build them one market house or water tank lo one community or pe over lo community now only should right become lo you challenge lo ask him Ogata Lolikam make him one volunteer work to help him Ogata. And after that you challenge is just advertise him on different programs plan. After all young Lolikam now blow go make him all volunteer work.
Maybe talk to one play youth group long have some time go finish I think long Port Villa constituency road system long all good plan sem now all student yet is have kisim spade na kisim all stick na all can something place yet na dikim ground na walk him road all yet walk him so those are the kind of project you place I work long in
yeah and now all project also lo community me vlay asem you challenge semino given money to make one project lo community they only help lo look out them all one man lo one organization lo hemi fund them all different project lo community na after it start karam all volunteer lo liko making
this la market you play complete him now so inside long Wintua village long Southwest Bay long buy more materials, work him display or something, it must cost him some kind money long, all nails, all timber, all, materials for work him on house or some. We said to provide him you play this or something.
Now I got a fund where he NCS8, where he been fund them project, But then when me look start, I'm like go down, make him building, market house flow all mama. Now, what I'm really given, hemi timber, all nails, with all iron roof, leaching, with all cement. After let that low timber no more, they pull up something, all some coral, with some sand, small narra timber, where only no enough, and then community by Muscat Pagan, low, only Muscat and timber Pagan, low, Nivola efficient house, more. Foman lo building hemi one lo foman lo plesiano mo lo window where hemi staff. Meaning say funding where only given hemi small no more big one the community hemi really hard lo kata lo legat market house
and so only must help lo some narrow way or some lo Karamstan, no Corel, no Cotton Timber, lo own patchet blogger.
Youth Challenge Vanuatu and blow Vanuatu yet, but this is another Youth Challenge Australia. Talking you long this is Youth Challenge Australia.
Youth Challenge Australia, Hemi one same organization more than Youth Challenge Vanuatu. Normally all program logada well come only just come in only helping Youth Challenge Vanuatu, especially all youth make them want something. But normally program logada time after only come help them only Angola now all parts. Even say even is now only sabe ko continue lo school logada be hena is lo only come now only help lo maintenance or only help them Vanuatu block even main objective plan lo especially lo one side lo one project also be normally time only come finish only go pass only continue lo different activity lo always have hena sema Vanuatu after lo project and then baligam lo some training pa again lo and then after that lo intensive lo lanan work work experience lo
this now all youth all young player youth from Australia also they come from Australia go to Vanuatu.
Yes lo side lo all youth lo Australia me find them out he got more Aboriginal youth in Kamlo training where he really good for them. Middle staff one talk with them one lo all field staff lo Australia too where anyone Aboriginal. Only really glad only include them all youth all staff from the situation or issues where all Aboriginal lo Australia staff facing is similar lo Vanuatu, and so you could lo ligam lanan now after same something lo ligam lanan lo sabe how now lo sabe deal with them back lo Australia and or how now ligam mi vla sabe story an with them mogata after how now mi vla sabe help them all youth lo mi vla lo different issue ya.
Across the Pacific, you're with Radio Australia.
You've been Haramir Jack Nato, youth leader belong Vanuatu na ibn talk one time Paulus combo. All right now, you may go now long last music now belong me play long one play music past time last time long past time long me play look long now talk thank you long all listeners have been putting me at thinking long all long question today night they come long Bishop belong KVN na Manas been asking Australian PNG government along ting blang long halvim all narapla all is tapinis along our country now all narapla line come inside and I got big noise no talk he come up become long end so he got all ting yet belong put him I'll put him come long +61 427 727272 what time long the time yet Veronica as you go ahead long this is love. Veronica is long Monday night. This love. All right, now me talk. Thank you long. All this blog listeners, you've been putting think long only come long a question. Me put him call long you. Number one, he been come long. John Cassie long Popendetta. And me talk me support him. Think long. Tupla long Bishop. Along West Papua, all neighbors along Yumi, na two all Melanesians. Only one kind also passing along Yumi. We talk all right or long law or narapla line. Me not think it look good. Thank you. Me John Kasi Popendetta. Then reply me come long upside down autonomous Bougainville region. Long Joe Posa a text na talk. Make a thing also. No got narapla wrong is have straight him narapla wrong. By a bagarap to mass. All government must straight him all asylum seekers long gupla way. And this bla me think bla me Joe Posa Boyne Autonomous Region of Bougainville. Nandarapla, emi kamabikam long Luana Rap KPX. And taxi read also. Me ting also Papua New Guinea, Australia, I must threaten pastime West Papua Karai. Long Akisim independence na now emi ting belong and hates Luana Rex or Rap KPX. Meeting also PNG. Now Australia must threaten pastime West Papua long Akisim independence. Now me talk big plus thank you kolong you listener now. Long stop the night long haramol question yet. Now put me come long and now talk some again long you listener. You got all stories you've been harapinis long to the night broadcast long 2 hours. Supposed to be long thinking long you. Now you like put him some all comments long you long and please put me come now by me playing up put him go along all listeners no same you share more thinking now looks how long you through Radio Australia you go along all Narapla listeners also too all can Narapla respond along all talk long you or comments long you long end. So one time long display it me talk thank you long all listeners even put him text long all come long put him out all comments long all. Now hope long up talk one to you again long tomorrow long 2 hours broadcast and yours truly by come stop one time you play. So long you may go ahead now long as the time long I may finish in broadcast I think me too me be missing place na long today I'm long or Melbourne cold to us na me missing hot tropics na sisi vai talk missing you. Belong to Solomon Islands. Maar we had one time long play. Me mas lose him you. He had listener long as play time. You know miss him you long. And me think by come start one time. Me again longer tomorrow Tuesday night broadcast. Now one time long as play yet. Me mas lose him you too. Or say me talk past time. Long as play time. You know me play bunken long tomorrow. Now thank you long keeping me company. Long as a Monday night talk peace in the stream. Going up tomorrow. Good night.
Round long Pacific, you for a man one time Radio Australia, long shortwave FM, na live streaming. And to short long talk pigeon. That's all stop back long harem news long talk English. Good night.